Hi everyone. So today we'll discuss as to why didn't Warren Buffett buy more shares in the recent bear market. As you're aware, with the current pandemic happening, a lot of people are investing and taking advantage of low prices in the share in order to make long-term profits when the prices go up in the future. So surprisingly, when Berkshire Hathaway reported its March quarter activity, many investors were shocked to see that Warren Buffett had not put more of his massive cash pile to work. He didn't invest any in the bear market, and Buffett didn't make any meaningful buys as well, despite the S&P 500 index being down as much as 34%. Right, this included his own stock, which is the Berkshire's, which had been trading at a price to book value below Buffett's previously Uh, touted buy zone of 1.2 times, right? Further to this, it was interesting to see that he had sold down certain shares during the recent bear market instead of holding them for longer term or long time in the near future. So it's very interesting to find out why didn't he buy more shares in the current plunge and the current lows of the stock market. No one other than Buffett or Charlie Munger will know why Berkshire acted the way it has recently. But here's what I think might have happened. So Buffett is an investor. He thinks and acts for the very long term. Short term volatility may provide buying opportunities for you and me, but with an ultra long term horizon, investing with so much uncertainty means Buffett doesn't want to make bets he's not sure of. He doesn't know how the market will react coming out of this economic crisis. Secondly, the share market is future looking, which is why the market has partially bounced back despite the reporting of increasing unemployment in America, in Australia, all over the world. But there is an argument that the market has recovered out of line with the economy. So we do not yet know the full economic impact of this pandemic, this virus, or we also do not know if there will be a second wave. Some countries have already announced that the second wave is coming. So Warren Buffett doesn't invest in what he doesn't know or he doesn't understand just out of a hunch, right? The third reason is Berkshire performed so well coming out of the Great Recession in part because of the preferential deals and discounted purchases that Buffett could make while other businesses were distressed. Many of these deals and purchases weren't made straight away, and Buffett is probably hoping to do the same as the economy emerges from the effects of the pandemic. It is worth noting that between 1987 and 2016, the average time for the S&P or ASX 200 to reach new highs after a correction of 10% or more was over 3 years, right? So it is these are the three reasons why I believe that he didn't invest or take advantage of the recent bear market. And like we see a lot of people investing in order to take advantage, but we see Buffett instead selling the airlines, and he thinks that he had to sell the airlines because he can redeploy that capital in other areas or keep it in the safe haven, which is cash, right? So these are one of the reasons why he didn't invest in the bear market. Instead, he sold the airline stock, and now he's also not supporting investment in the banks. So who knows what will happen in the future, right? That is it for today. If you haven't subscribed to the videos, please do so and give a like or a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm. Until next time, see ya, bye.